Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be going to Van Cleef & Arpels, and I actually filmed this vlog when I went to pick up my earrings. I just never posted it, and I'll be showing to you some beautiful items that I'm currently considering. I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And please consider checking out my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. And please also check out my playlist. I posted quite a few videos about Cartier, Van Cleef & Arpels, Bulgari, Rolex, luxury tips and mistakes, Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. Actually, I came to the store to pick up my 10 motif necklaces that got extended, and my lovely SA told me that my dream earrings are actually in the store. I just randomly asked about them. I totally did not expect. And it's so amazing that they have the stock. I must get them today because if I don't, who knows when I'll be able to pick them up. While I'm waiting for my lovely SA to bring to me the earrings, I will also show you some amazing items that I quite like at the moment. For example, this watch is so stunning. I really love this stone. I have recently posted a review video about onyx. I will link it down in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check it out. I feel it looks so beautiful with yellow gold. It's such a stunning combination. This watch is so feminine. I think I discovered it for myself back in 2019, if I'm not mistaken. I really like the way this small size look on my wrist. It's so elegant and I think it's pretty timeless as well. And I also like it with mother of pearl. Both are so stunning. I have to say this watch is very light and it feels quite comfortable on my wrist. Actually, I wanted to try on this watch with the Onyx 5 motif bracelet, but unfortunately it was not available in the store, so I had to try it on with my necklace. And unfortunately I did not adjust it properly, but you kind of get the idea. I think it would look amazing. And even on its own, I feel like this design is so gorgeous. It would look so amazing with a black dress or everything black outfit. I really like this combination, and lately I have been so obsessed with onyx. I actually want to add another pair of earrings in a smaller size. I actually spoke about it in my Van Cleef & Arpels wishlist video, which I will link down in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check it out. I feel like I'm going through a phase when I'm absolutely obsessed with everything black or everything white or black and pink combination, and I really like to pair it with yellow gold accessories. Well, after all, black and gold combination is my absolute favorite. Actually, this watch looks pretty cute with the Cartier Love bracelet. I feel like this combination is so stunning. Even though my Cartier Love bracelet has not been polished for about a month, I have been so busy with work lately and I accidentally scratched it against my table so many times. It's just impossible to avoid the scratches, but I can easily remove them with the Jules Rouge cloth. Back to the watch and the bracelet. I really like the idea of stacking both of them together, although I have recently been told by Cartier SA that it's not a good idea to stack any watches with bracelets, because actually when you move, they can accidentally hit each other and the mechanism in the watch can get affected. This is something I had no idea about. And I have been wearing my Rolex watch with other bracelets, but I have to be careful going forward. I was told that you can't even play sports when wearing watches. For example, if you play golf, it's not recommended to wear watches because if you swing, you might damage a mechanism. Something quite shocking for me, but I thought I would share it with you guys. And here are the earrings that I'll be picking up. I'm so excited about them. And I only saw them in a store 3 times in this past 3 years. And it's a 3rd time. And I'm buying them because I don't want to miss out on them. And I know it's going to be so hard to get them in the future. Currently, the pre-orders are not available. I'm hoping that it will change in the future as the situation with the pandemic is getting better in the world. Fingers crossed. By the way, there were 2 couples in the store that have been asking about these earrings. And luckily, I was able to get them because they would get sold out like hotcakes. I'm so getting them with me today and I'm so excited, and I can't wait to add the 10 motif necklace to make a set. That's just gonna be my favorite set ever. Also, this size is so cute and so comfortable to wear. I absolutely love it. Anyways, I was actually extending my 2 10 motif necklaces. I spoke about it in my other videos, and I'm just trying them on with another 10 motif because I was thinking perhaps in the future I could just add 2 other 10 motif necklaces, one in onyx and one in mother of pearl, to make a 20. I really like this look, and I actually wanted to see if the clasps are very obvious, but I don't really see them here. It's not that bad. I like this look a lot, and I think it's such a gorgeous necklace. I really like the U shape, and I would like to see if I would be able to wear this kind of necklaces on a daily basis. That's my rule now. If I'm not wearing them a lot, preferably on a daily basis, then what's the whole point of purchasing them? I should be able to wear them for as much as possible. Anyways, I tried on the same necklace on my wrist. I just wanted to see how it's going to look like. It's cool, but I don't think I would be able to wear it like that anywhere else. I feel like the 10 motif length is perfect for me because it wraps around my wrist 3 times and it's more than enough. But actually this tag looks pretty cute like that, and the mother of pearl is so beautiful. I can see so many colors: green, pink, orange, yellow. So beautiful. It would look amazing in a bright light as well. It's not very bright right here, but how gorgeous are these? So stunning. I absolutely love Van Cleef mother of pearl jewelry. It's so gorgeous and so feminine. My absolute favorite. I also saw this gorgeous watch. How beautiful is this turquoise color, and it's so easy to open them. And I like that it has mother of pearl on the inside. So stunning. You can see the diamonds on the side as well. So gorgeous. I really like it. I saw it before, but I didn't try it on, and I thought it would be a good idea to check it out today. And I feel like this kind of jewelry looks amazing with the knitwear. For example, with a chunky knit dress or a sweater. I really like this look, and you can actually adjust the length. You can make it a longer or shorter, which is really convenient. I really like it. Also, when you open the watch and just move it close to you, you can see it right away. So convenient. I love it. All these diamonds just look so gorgeous, and I really like that this pendant has yellow gold. It's my favorite gold and it matches most of my jewelry, and I really like the way it looks with turquoise. By the way, guys, I will also show to you the holiday pendant that I got to see on the other day. I did not purchase it, my friend got it. Actually, when I was offered it, I wasn't sure about it and I passed on it, but I absolutely love the way it looks. What do you guys think about this year's holiday pendant? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to see what you're going to say. Anyways guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it and it would help out to my channel a lot. Do check out my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!